Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Adnan. My metric number is 253721. So today I would like to do my public speaking for subject strategic public management, and my topic is about benefit of strategic management. Strategic management is a set of action and decision making that result in the formulation and implementation that are planned within an organization to achieve the goal that it has created. Strategic management also addresses issue of how strong and successful the organization is and how changes are made by each leader in the organization. An organization needs to have a clear plan of its goal and objective for each person in the organization to carry out their tasks in accordance with a set of direction. As such, there are various benefits when strategic management is implemented within an organization. One of the benefits of strategic management to an organization is that the management system in organization is better and systematic. With strategic planning, managers in the organization will be able to develop a clear and more comprehensive concept for the organization so that each member of the organization can understand and apply it when carrying out their tasks. This process also will help each manager evaluate the internal strength and strength of the organization in dealing with the challenges they face. As a result of strategic management, organizational goals and objectives will become clearer and easier for managers to make decisions to achieve their goals. And furthermore, clear and comprehensive strategic management can also determine the strategic direction of an organization. The strategic management process will determine the level of performance and achievement of an organization through its vision, mission, goal, and also objective. This will allow them to set strategic direction so that each member of the organization know where they need to go and focus on achieving their goal. Strategic management also acts as a roadmap for each member of the organization to reach the desired destination or performance in a set number of ways. And the benefit of strategic management can also help organization understand the changing environment and its impact on the organization. Strategic management is a long-term process that takes place within an organization. As such, it can indirectly predict future change and will help organization to be more proactive than reactive. They will take several steps to manage change by implementing contingency and change management strategies. This is to ensure that organizations are able to easily cope with any change. For example, COVID-19 is a worldwide disaster and affects several organizations in every country, whether public or private. However, if an organization has planned strategic management, they will be able to overcome it and take this opportunity to make some change in line with current need. Next, the benefit of strategic management can also benefit from sustainable competitiveness. With successful strategic management, both an organization and a company should be able to build competitive advantage over other competitors. An organization can also survive over time without imitating and outperforming its competitors. An excellent and capable organization is an organization that has its own characteristic and clear management so that it can further elevate its position compared to other organizations. And the next benefit of strategic management is about financial benefit. Organizations that use the concept of strategic management are more profitable and successful than organizations or companies without strategic planning and management. Business that use strategic management also show a significant increase in profit, productivity, and sale compared to companies that lack systematic and organized planning. And next, the benefit of strategic management can also help an organization or company to achieve better performance. This is one of the main goals of every organization or company that is set up to be as profitable as possible and to satisfy every customer who use their goods and services. And in addition, the good performance of an organization or company can also ensure the long-term viability of a market. This means that strategic management can identify opportunities as well as threats that can impact organizational performance. This will help every manager to take advantage of the opportunities available and minimize the threat that may affect the performance of the organization. And For the conclusions, strategic management is a set of action and decision making that result in the formulation and implementation of plans that are planned within an organization to achieve the goal it has set. There are various benefits of strategic management within an organization. Therefore, strategic management is essential as it determines the success of an organization and it also serves as the direction for achieving the goal. Thank you. That's all for me.